before we talk a little bit about the work, we would like to share the screen and show the website.
I'll start with a slightly technical presentation, and then we can go on to talk about the cultural effects in better detail. See, we're seeing your desktop. Yes. So this is how it starts, and first things first, you're asked to state your location, and right away, as you start typing, this huge list of locations comes up, and right away you can see that you're part of a very big world, so to speak. And this is how the visualization starts. I think we missed the zooming in, but we start with a zoomed out view of something that looks like the world. And then, yes, so we start with a view like this, zoomed out. And then we zoom in slowly over a few seconds to, first of all, the Ray cement factory. And the user's location, this was actually designed for many visitors, even simultaneously, or over time, just getting together on the site. And on the top there, you can see the locations that people have visited, have told us they have visited from so far. And this is, in a sense, where people bring their own heritage, own culture to this presentation.
I can say a little bit about the idea. It's about the project as it was first thought that it would be physical in Tehran. It changed, or it shifted totally. So we came up with this idea, more about the idea of having or working with this kind of heritage. And if we think of heritage, there are, let's say, people in the world which are worldwide interested, or where people are worldwide interested. Arc de Triomphe, for example, in Paris, it's a building, it's a heritage, but people cannot do everything what they want to do with it. So it's somehow a worldwide interest, and it's somehow protected, and the world is interested to have it safe. And if we think of other things which are maybe common good, we are very fast thinking of maybe the Antarctica, which is also maybe a free space and maybe something which should be protected. And there's also like our sky, the outer space. This is also maybe a space which is common good, but who's in charge for it, and do people can privately use this space? And if we think of this work with this with all the satellites, very much many companies, private companies, are using our common space for their own interests.
Yeah, I didn't get to talk much about the technical aspect, but I don't think it's very important right now. It's what was visible was basically a simulation of the sky as viewed from a chosen location. First, it begins with the cement factory, and then if you select different locations, it zooms out and then rotates the world under you, and then zooms back in. And I mean, there's not much else to say, I think, except that I like the fact that the dots are actually satellites orbiting the Earth, and nowhere in the simulation we see the Earth itself, but we see it reflected in the industrial heritage, let's say, of the satellites that are orbiting the world.